Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. What I'm going to do in this video, guys, is I'm going to explain to you how you can reduce the background noise or noise in general to the audio of any video you're editing in Davinci Resolve 18.6. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have opened up a new timeline. I created a new timeline and I have inserted this stock video that I've downloaded from the internet. This video is originally silent, however in the media pool you can see I have recorded some of my own audio. If you want to learn how to do that, you can refer to another tutorial that I have done on the same channel, so please feel free to do so. However, if you want to actually reduce the noise of this audio, what you want to do, once you've already imported the video, you have your audio and etc, etc, to actually edit the audio that you get, you want to go into the Fairlight option here in the bottom of the screen. As you can see, these are the 7 options or 7 workspaces that you have, and the second to last one is the Fairlight one, which is your audio editing tab. Just click on it and you'll be taken to this screen. This is pretty much what it will look like when you actually first open up the Fairlight workspace. As you can see, here is the preview of the video, and here are the 2 audio tracks for this video, both left and right. And what you want to do to actually reduce the noise, there is an effect that actually does this. So just go into effects here at the top, click on that, and under audio effects, or rather Fairlight effects, under the audio effects tab, you want to find the noise reduction effect. You can also search for it here in the search bar by clicking on this looking glass and just entering it here. Click on noise reduction. As you can see here, just drag it over to your audio of choice. I think it applies automatically to both, however you can test it out and play around with it. Then you just slide these wheels around and it changes the effect of the noise, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video.